Hello friends, welcome to Delights, and in today's video we will be studying an essay on Living World, which is of 250 words, so let's begin. The living world, encompassing all living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environment, is a marvel that never ceases to amaze. From microscopic bacteria to towering trees, the diversity and complexity of life on Earth are both intricate and fascinating. At the heart of the living world is biodiversity, the vast array of species that inhabit our planet. Each species, no matter how big or small, plays a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. The intricate web of relationships between different species ensures the survival and prosperity of life on Earth. Bees pollinate flowers, facilitating the reproduction of plants, which, in turn, provide food and shelter for countless animals. This interdependence highlights the interconnectedness of all living things. Moreover, the living world is not only a source of awe-inspiring beauty, but also crucial for human survival. Ecosystems provide us with essential services such as clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil. The living world also contributes to medicine, with countless plants and organisms holding the potential for life-saving drugs and treatments. However, the living world faces unprecedented challenges today, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve the diversity of life. By understanding and appreciating the living world, we can work towards sustainable practices that ensure a harmonious coexistence between humans and the remarkable array of life that shares our home. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.